Ladies and gentlemen, Shanghai Marine World is pleased to present our world famous mermaid penguins. Tonight, our mermaids dedicate their performance to all the missing penguins around the world. Stay safe, little guys, wherever you are, and we hope you come home real soon. Keep those eyes rolling, boys. Dave is a master of disguise. He could be a small child, a houseplant, maybe even you or me. Is it you, Kowalski? Hey, hold on. Wait a minute. Nice try, Dave. Operation Flash, Splash, and Crash is a go. Splendid. Take positions. And we're feeding time when we get into minutes. Target 30 yards and closing. In position, skipper. Bring on the board. For you, Private. Yes, skipper. Here's your mermaid costume. What? We need a diversion. And frankly, you're the only one who can pull off that look. But I can do more, skipper. I want to help the team. Really help the team. If you think I'm ready, return. Assuming you agree, and perhaps even if you don't. I like the moxie, soldier, but right now I need a tail on that tush and the cutest smile you've got. You trust me, soldier? Alright, skipper. Hey, it's me time. Target 10 yards from flashpoint. Right, you're up. You just mermaid my day. Flash and go. Mermaid's under the tail. She's so cute. Cutest thing I've ever seen. Shields up. Target is done. We can bring the splash. Oh, what are you doing out here, cutie? Go on, back in your tank. Secure the mermaids and find it. David the Octopus. Little late, North Wind. Mission accomplished. I want to